Every time you click Buy Now, a massive machine instantly wakes up somewhere in the world. That single click triggers a system so big, it can process up to 1 million packages every day. But here's the crazy part. Most people have no idea how this actually works behind the scenes. Inside these walls, humans and robots move at insane speed, racing against time non-stop. And if anything slows down, even for a second, the entire system can start to break. So today, we're going inside to see how Amazon really pulls this off. Amazon didn't start like this. It began with people packing books by hand in a small space. But as orders exploded, warehouses became too big, and humans just couldn't keep up anymore. The real problem wasn't packing, it was walking. Workers wasting hours just moving around. So Amazon flipped the system completely and decided to bring products directly to humans. That one decision changed everything, turning warehouses into high-speed optimization machines. And that's when robots officially entered the game. These robots don't carry one box. They move entire shelves packed with products across the floor. There are thousands of them, all moving at once, constantly adjusting their paths in real time. And somehow they never crash, even while moving at speeds humans can't match. Every shelf arrives exactly where it's needed, at the perfect moment, without any delay. This means workers don't move anymore, the entire warehouse moves around them instead. It looks chaotic, but this is actually one of the most precise systems ever built. Once an item is picked, it gets dropped into a conveyor system that literally never stops moving. These belts stretch for kilometers, moving thousands of packages every single minute. Boxes fly in every direction, up, down, across multiple levels, all perfectly synchronized. From above, it looks like a giant machine that never sleeps and never slows down. Every turn, every movement is optimized to save even a fraction of a second. Because at this scale, seconds can cost millions. Every single package is tracked by a barcode that tells the system exactly where it needs to go. As it moves, scanners read it instantly, making decisions in a split second. Behind this, algorithms are constantly calculating the fastest possible route in real time. But if one scan fails, even once, it can disrupt the entire flow of the system. So everything is designed to detect and fix errors before they even become a problem. because here, accuracy is just as important as speed. This is where humans come back in, packing items at speeds that feel almost unreal. Workers have just seconds to grab, pack, and send each order to the next step. Everything is measured, tracked, and optimized to keep the flow as fast as possible. But the pressure is intense because the system never stops feeding new items. While robots keep going endlessly, humans have limits they can't ignore. And this is where things start to get really interesting. At night, when most people are sleeping, the warehouse hits another level of intensity. Thousands of packages are loaded into trucks in a race against delivery deadlines. Every truck has a precise route, calculated down to the minute before it even leaves. Inside, everything moves fast, because delays here affect deliveries everywhere. One by one, trucks leave, carrying thousands of orders across entire regions. And by morning, your package is already on its way. But this level of speed comes with a cost that most customers never actually see. Workers deal with constant pressure, trying to keep up with machines that never slow down. At the same time, automation is replacing more and more human tasks every year. Some jobs disappear completely, while others become faster, harder, and more repetitive. So the question is no longer just about efficiency, but about how far this can go. Because faster isn't always better. Very soon, entire warehouses could run almost entirely without human workers at all. Artificial intelligence is already controlling most of the decisions happening inside. And next, deliveries themselves could become fully automated with drones and self-driving vehicles. The goal is simple: make everything faster, smoother, and completely continuous. But if humans disappear from the process, what does that actually change for society? That's the question no one can fully answer yet. The next time you click Buy Now, this entire system will activate again instantly. Thousands of robots will start moving, and the warehouse will come back to life. Every step will happen at insane speed, perfectly synchronized from start to finish. All of this, just to move one package across an entire country in record time. It's fast, it's efficient, and honestly, it's kind of insane when you think about it. And now, you know exactly what's happening behind that one simple click.